Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about 4 tips for choosing the right sunscreen for your skin type. Tip number 1. Look for broad spectrum protection. This means the sunscreen will protect you from both UVA and UVB rays, which are both harmful to your skin. Tip number 2. Choose a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. This will provide adequate protection against the sun's harmful rays. Tip number 3. Consider your skin type when choosing a sunscreen. If you have oily skin, look for a sunscreen that is oil-free and non-comedogenic. And if you have dry skin, look for a sunscreen that is moisturizing and contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Tip number 4. Don't forget to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. This will ensure that you are always protected from the sun. That's it for our 4 tips for choosing the right sunscreen for your skin type. Remember, protecting your skin from the sun is essential for maintaining healthy skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.